Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a bit of bad news to report. This beautiful wall mirror that we made about 6 months ago and that I affectionately call Big Bertha has met her untimely demise. Big Bertha sustained injuries when my daughter hastily flung open her bathroom door, hitting Bertha and then Bertha crashing to the bathroom floor. Unfortunately, Bertha did not survive her injuries. So in this video, I show you how I picked up the pieces of Big Bertha and how we repurposed her to make a new home decor project. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with, then just keep watching. Here, I'm trying to salvage as many of the 12 mirrors as possible. They were a little challenging to remove from their frames. I did use the Fix-All adhesive for this project. Some of the mirrors broke as I was attempting to remove them from their frame, and some were damaged in the fall. I was able to salvage 6 of the 12 mirrors. The other 6 we'll save and use for our next mirror mosaic project. I also had the 12 frames. Of course, they won't be usable, but I will keep the 12 pieces of cardboard backing for future projects. For my new home decor project, I used all 6 of Big Bertha's 8-inch mirrors, some of the Dollar Tree clear acrylic gems, some of their new oval iridescent jewels, one of the Tower Games. I also used 2 of the clear Candleholders, as well as a Lazy Susan that I picked up from Home Depot for about $4, my E6000, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. I'll leave the complete list of everything that I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was glue 9 of the Tower Game wood pieces to the back of one of my 8-inch mirrors. I then used a combination of hot glue and E6000 to attach a second mirror on top. Here, I'm adding some additional hot glue to ensure that the wood pieces are secure. I then use my crystal clear hot glue that I purchased from Walmart to add crystal gems along the outside of these mirrors. I also used my crystal clear hot glue to attach the iridescent oval jewels to my piece as well. I repeated those steps for all 6 mirrors. Next, I used my E6000 to attach 4 of the clear acrylic gems to the bottom of my Lazy Susan. I then used my hot glue to attach 4 of the oval iridescent jewels to the opposite side. I let that dry for about 30 minutes, and then I used some Dollar Tree lubricant to lubricate the ball bearings of my Lazy Susan. Per the packaging, this lubrication should help the Lazy Susan rotate smoothly. I then used a combination of E6000 and hot glue to attach the Lazy Susan on top of one of the mirrored pieces. I did remove the excess hot glue, and I cleaned all 3 mirror pieces before adding this Lazy Susan. I then used that same E6000 to attach one of the clear glass candle holders face down. "20 minutes later, I added the second mirrored piece on top. I repeated those steps to add my second glass candle holder and my third mirrored piece on top. Here, I'm using my level to ensure that the mirror pieces are properly aligned. I then allowed this to dry overnight. The following day, I used an X-Acto knife to remove the excess E6000 from my top and bottom mirrors. To complete the project, I added a bead of hot glue to the bottom of the gems on the Lazy Susan so that the Lazy Susan will not slide. And here was my finished look. And although a mirror was harmed in the making of this video, I think that we did Big Bertha proud. R.I.P. Big Bertha. Interested in seeing me gather some of the Dollar Tree supplies used in this project? Then check out my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise, Up Close and Personal. We're also doing a Q&A over there, so leave your questions down in the comments so that I can include them in that video. Did you like today's video? If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.